Okay, hello. This is the London Legacy. This is what it's all about. I know it's supposed to be tabletop gaming live, but you know, it's my opportunity. We've been talking about this for years. Walking from here to this mighty wheel. Of course, the Namco arcade that's around the corner, that's shut now, which has always been there since coming here. So there's a few things shut in this weekend, isn't there? Well, a few things I can't go to this weekend. Before I come to London on Thursday, I woke up with all my sinuses stinging and stuff like that with allergies. A couple of days I took allergy tablets. Today I took my last ones, but last night and this morning my nose has been pouring like a waterfall. Coming outside it's not so bad, so I don't know what the hell it is, but it's not COVID anyway, I know that. Anyway, so the mission is to walk from here to the Excel. Now there's a couple of things I can't do. There used to be a bridge under, a tunnel. Sorry, not a bridge. A tunnel going under the Thames. Not sure if you could walk through it. I can't remember what it's called now. Who cares? Look it up. There's a bridge that could get to Canary Wharf, but it can't anymore. Okay. Long time ago it shut down. I think it was just like a motorway thing anyway. I don't care. It's gone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk from here to. I'm going to go to Tower Bridge. I'm going to go across there. Get to the north side at Thames, and then I'm going to go to the Canary Wharf Pier, where I'm going to catch a boat and go to the O2, and then from there I'm going to take the Emirates Air ride across the Excel. It's not a huge walk across, it's about 5 miles to Pier. Not the walk I wanted, but it is an adventure, and it is me starting this legacy. So in future, kids, if you're watching, anybody else watching, you can have a go at this. I don't feel up to it, really. I feel like crap. I don't feel very well. My throat's really shitty. But what can you do? I've got to do this. So I'm going to take a lot of photographs of my travels going to the Excel. So start with London Eye and that, and it'll finish at the Excel Centre. Where, funnily enough, I'm coming again in October to cosplay Walter White when this grows again around here and stuff. I haven't bought me out yet. Anyway, it's my mostly photographs. I'll take a video in there when I need to, and let's do this. Yeah. Oh yeah, you sexy wheel, you sexy wheel.